Looking for speedy and effortless methods to declutter your home? Today I'm showing you how to declutter your home in 30 minutes or less. First off, select one area to tackle at a time. This can be done daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks. Next, you're going to set a timer for 20 to 30 minutes for drawers or cupboards. Have at least one cardboard box ready to go. This will be your donation bin. And here's a handy little tip. Keep all the boxes from online orders and aim to fill them up with items to donate instead of just recycling them. Pull everything out of the space and lay it on a flat surface. This way you can easily see all the items as you go through them. For the most important rule of them all, be ruthless. Setting a timer helps with quick decision making. If an item isn't an immediate yes, it's a definite no, and it goes straight into the donation bin. Our last and final step is to put all the items you're keeping back in their designated homes. The goal is to have space left. Remember, just because you have a large drawer doesn't mean you need to fill it. And there you have it. Repeat this process as often as needed, and trust me when I say you're gonna feel so much better. You'll start to fall in love with your home again, and taking care of it will be so much easier.